Welcome, and welcome. My name is Miss Diana, aka Diana Marie, and I'm here to teach you beginning piano. The keys are where you'll find the letters A through G. The first part is that you have the musical alphabet. So the musical alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You get the drift. So that's how the musical alphabet rolls. A through G, and then it starts again on A. So let's take a look at how our musical alphabet works on the piano. Now, if I start here, I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Starts again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. But wait, that's not how I'm going to teach you these notes, because why would you want to memorize all 7 at the same time? I know that's probably confusing. That's not how I roll. So let's take a moment to check out a few letters at a time. Okay, so the first group of letters that we're going to go through are C, D, and E. Now, in order to find those notes, we're actually going to use the group of 2 black keys. Now, whenever you have 2 black keys, friends, I only need you to remember 2 notes in order to find all 7. That's not a bad deal, right? So you have 2 black keys, and to the left, you have C. Go ahead and find another C on your piano. 2 black keys, C. 2 black keys, C. Now, if you know C, just like I said, it reflects the English alphabet. So if you have C, you also know D and E. So C, D, E. Go ahead, find that. Let's start down here on your keyboard, just playing C, D, and E. C, D, E. Now another one. C, D, E. Now let's go to the middle. C, D, E. And last one, C, D, E. Pretty simple, right? Finding C, D, and E. All right, welcome back to now your theory assignment this week. So in order to better understand these notes, I'm going to give you a quick assignment. It's actually rather fun. It's using an exercise from musictheory.net. Now, I've programmed this especially for you based off of what we covered this week. So our 3 notes that we have are C, D, and E. Now remember to use the 2 black keys as your guide in order to figure out where those notes are on the piano. Now, the exercise that I'm going to link below is going to give you the opportunity to play through the notes on this digital piano so that you can practice over and over as many times as you wish. I will be honest, students that I've had who play it multiple times find better success in the future of understanding these notes. It's always about the more time you put into it, the easier it will become. I'm not one of those teachers that guarantees that you'll have this in like a week's time. I think, and if you want to work by way of your mind and how it actually memorizes and works to create patterns and connection, that does take repetition and it takes practice. I know that has become almost like a word that makes people uncomfortable, and they're automatically like, I don't have time. Put in the time and you will reap the reward. This is an exercise that is strictly going to have C, D, and E as a practice. Using the 2 black keys, you know that the key to the left is always C. So here you would go ahead and press that note. Just a heads up, this note up here is another C. You could also go from the C that you know before that and then work your way up. Then you'd go ahead, 2 black keys, C, then you have D, and E would be our next note. So again, this is just a practice for you to go through up and down. Now, let's say you get something wrong. It's going to stay there until you find the correct note. Now, I would not recommend simply playing random notes until you get it. Really put in the time in order to understand where C is and using that as what I'm going to start calling it a guide note in order to find the others. You got this. I guarantee if you play this through 3, 4, 5 times this week, it's going to be set to 20 questions, which typically take anywhere between a minute to maybe 5 going through it if you're still learning it. If it takes you longer, cool. Like, this is your journey. I don't want you to compare it to anybody else or anything else. Take your time as you learn it, really get to know it so that you'll have internalized it for the long term. That is what I want for you. I have had such an awesome time with you today. Don't forget, down below, you will have the link for your music theory activity in order to practice these new notes that I've covered today. So I'll see you next time.